Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Naina Prakash Kodi and our today's video topic is data type in Java. So let we discuss about the data type in Java. First is what is data type? Data type specifies the different size and value that can be stored in variable. There are two types of data type in Java. First is primitive data type and second is non-primitive data type. So we will discuss about the primitive data type. Primitive data type is a predefined data type, and primitive data type is most useful in Java. Primitive data type is used to store the value in itself. There are 8 type of data type in Java. First is Boolean, second is byte, third is short data type, fourth is integer data type, fifth is long data type, sixth is float data type, 7 is double data type, and 8 is char data type. So these data type discuss in step by step. First is byte data type in Java. Byte data type is a numeric data type. It range lies between the -127 to 128. The byte data type default size is 1 byte and default value is 0. It is used to save the memory. It is used save memory than 4 times smaller than integer, because the integer type default size is 4 byte. Second is Boolean data type. Boolean data type is used to specify the store two possible value, true or false. The Boolean data type is 1 bit store information, for example true or false. And third type is short data type. Short data type is a numeric data type in Java, and its default size is 2 byte, and its range lies between the -2^16 to 2^16, and default value of short integer is 0. It can be used to store the number value in the variable. And fourth is integer data type. Integer data type, it is a 32 bit sign to complement integer. It can be used to store the integer or number value into the variable. And integer data type default size is 4 byte, and it can be stored default value 0. Integer data type is most useful data type in Java, and if the memory problem is not required, then integer data type is most important. And fifth is long data type in Java. Long data type is also the numeric data type, and its range lies between the -2^63 to 2^63-1. And its long data type default size is 8 byte and default value is 0L. And long data type, it is used to store the number value in variable. And 6 is float data type. Float data type is used to store the decimal value in variable, and its default size is 4 byte, and it can be stored default value 0.0a. Float data type is for example float f equal to 23.3 f. In float data type, f is required to variable value followed by end. And second last is double data type. Double data type is used to store the decimal value in variable. It is similar to the float data type, and default size of double data type is 8 byte and default value is 0.0 d. And last is char data type. Char data type is used to store the character value in variable, and default size of character data type is 1 byte, and it can be stored the default value /u0000 to /u FFFA. And second type of data type is non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type is a user-defined data type in which there are various type of data type. Non-primitive data type: class, array, object, string, interface, etc.